Anil made money by fit and starts. He would borrow 1 week, lend the next. He kept worrying about his next check, but as soon as it arrived, he would go out and celebrate. It seems he wrote for magazines, a queer way to make a living. One evening, he came home with a small bundle of notes saying he had just sold a book to a publisher. At night, I saw him tuck the money under the mattress. I had been working for Anil for almost a month, and apart from cheating on the shopping, had not done anything in my line of work. I had every opportunity for doing so. Anil had given me a key to the door, and I could come and go as I pleased. He was the most trusting person I ever met, and that is why it was so difficult to rob him. It's easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford to be robbed, but it's difficult to rob a careless man. Sometimes he doesn't even notice he'd been robbed, and that's take all the pleasure out of the work. Well, it's a time I did some real work. I told myself I'm out of practice, and if I don't take the money, he'll only waste it on his friend. After all, he doesn't even pay me. So this was the thing. Okay, so Anil was asleep. Clear fit and start means not working on something continuously. So Anil did not give any regular income as he used to earn money by doing different activities, and उस even he did not have any fixed job. सो यहाँ पे नरेटर कह रहे हैं कि अनिल जो है बहुत ज़्यादा वरिड रहता है अपने पे चेक्स के बारे में, हमेशा सोचता रहता था एंड हाउ वुड ही रिसीव एज सुन एज द चेक्स. ठीक है, बट एज सुन एज ही वुड रिसीव अ चेक ही वुड गो आउट विथ फ्रेंड्स एंड सेलिब्रेट, यानी कि वो बहुत केयरलेस था. सो यहाँ पे नरेटर सोचते हैं कि ही यूज टू राइट फॉर मैगजीन्स एंड द नरेटर ऑल्सो थिंक दैट इट इज़ टू बी वेरी strange way to make money. Okay, so then suddenly one evening what happened, Anil came home with some money and he told Hari that he had just sold a book to a publisher. वो आते ही बताते हैं कि उन्होंने एक बुक जो है पब्लिशर को सोल्ड कर दी है, बेच दी है. ठीक है, मतलब उस मनी के बारे में अगर कोई क्वेश्चन होता तो अनिल then came home with some money and then he told Hari that he had just sold a book to a publisher, and before going to bed Anil put the money under his mattress and then Hari saw him putting the money there. And Hari thought that he had been working for Anil for almost a month now and he had not cheated him apart from the 1 rupee. उसको पता था 1 rupee तो वो लेता है, ठीक है, that take out daily, but he never cheated. ठीक है. So the narrator also think that he had every chance to steal as Anil had given him the key to his room as well as he could come home and go whenever he wished to do so. So Hari had been trusted up, ठीक है, upon the most, and Hari had not been trusted upon by anyone else in his life. So this was the only thing that was stopping Hari from stealing, as Hari thought that it is a way बहुत easily वो rob कर सकता था, but because ही उसके अंदर इतनी कैपेबिलिटी थी और दी मनी टू बी गेट रॉब्ड एज ही नोज अबाउट वॉट ही हैज़ लॉस्ट बट अ केयरलेस मैन लाइक अनिल. ठीक है, मतलब वो ग्रीडी इंसान को तो मतलब रॉब कर सकता है, लेकिन ऐसे केयरलेस इंसान को कैसे कोई रॉब कर सकता है. ठीक है, ही वॉज ऑलवेज हैविंग अ क्वेश्चन इन हिज माइंड अबाउट अनिल. सो हरी फील्स दैट व्हेन समवन डजंट कम टू नो दैट ही हैज़ बीन रॉब्ड देन देयर इज़ नो फन लेफ्ट इन रॉबिंग हिम. अगर किसी को पता ही नहीं चले कि वो उस मीन्स रॉब्ड हो रहा है तो उसमें कोई फन नहीं है. देन हरी डिसाइडेड दैट ही वुड स्टार्ट विथ सम वर्क एंड ही हैड नॉट रॉब्ड एनी वन फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. ठीक है, उसने सोचा कि अब वो कुछ काम करना स्टार्ट करेगा एंड फॉर लॉन्गर टाइम ही हैड नॉट बीन रॉब्ड समवन. एंड ही ऑल्सो जस्टिफाइड हिज एक्ट ऑफ स्टीलिंग अनिल मनी बाय टेलिंग हिमसेल्फ दैट इफ ही डिडंट स्टील इट देन ऑल्सो अनिल वुड वेस्ट इट ऑन हिज फ्रेंड. यानी कि पैसा तो वो रख नहीं सकता, अगर वो मतलब मैं वो पैसा रॉब नहीं करूँगा तो अनिल जो है वो अपने फ्रेंड्स पे वेस्ट करेगा. एंड ही ऑल्सो थॉट दैट ही हैड अ राइट ओवर द मनी एज अनिल डिडंट इवन पे हिम फॉर द वर्क ही यूज्ड टू डू. यानी कि उसको ये भी लगा साथ में कि उसको मीन्स चुराने का पूरा हक है क्योंकि अनिल जो है उसको इतना पे नहीं करता. हरी स्टार्टेड हिज वर्क व्हेन अनिल वॉज स्लीपिंग. ओके, when Anil was sleeping. There was a little bit light over Anil's bed because of the moonlight that was coming in from the window. And then Hari sat on the floor and planned that if he took the money, he could leave the city by 10:30 p.m. कौन सी ट्रेन से? लखनऊ एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन से. हरी देन crawled towards the bed and slipped his hand slowly inside the bed mattress. Okay, हरी मीन्स हल्के हल्के जाता है वहाँ पे क्रॉल करते हुए, and he took out the money from the inside the bed mattress. He looked at Anil, who was sleeping peacefully without a single line on his face, and Hari's face had so many scars on it.